We are going to visit Sri Mookambika temple in Kollur in this video. Kollur Mookambika temple is located at Kollur in Udupi district in the state of Karnataka. Namaskaram. Welcome to Satish Shankar's Vibes. Kollur Mookambika temple is dedicated to the mother goddess Mookambika. Mookambika and Kudajadri have traditionally been regarded as important centers of Shakti worship in North Malabar. Traveling through the Western Ghats and the road to Kollur Mookambika temple will be a pleasant drive on road with mountains, rivers, streams, green field on either side of the road will provide you a pleasant journey. Adi Shankara is believed to have visited the self-manifested Swayambhu Lingam known as the Mithuna Lingam, which is distinguished by a golden line at its center, symbolizing a predominance of the Shakti aspect over the Shiva aspect. The current idol of the goddess is said to have been installed in the posture in which she is believed to have appeared before him, worshipping the lingam. Mookambika is the union of Adi Parashakti and Parabrahma, as the Linga has integrated on its left side MahaKali, Lakshmi and Maha Saraswathi. As per legend, after a long meditation at Kudajadri Hills, Mookambika Devi appeared before Adi Shankara and he invited Mookambika Devi to be consecrated in Chera territory where Malayalis could worship her. The goddess agreed on the condition that she would follow behind him as he walked, but he must never look back. If he did, she would remain at the spot where he turned. Shankara consented and they began the journey after crossing the Saubarnika river. At one point, when he could no longer hear the sound of the goddess' anklets, he turned to look, whereupon she halted and declared that she would remain there permanently, assuring that Malayalis from the Chera land who came to see her would be blessed. The place later developed into the Mookambika temple. Until the Karnataka government assumed control of the temple administration, its management was carried out by a trust consisting of Malayali devotee families. The main deity of the temple is a Swayambhu Linga with a golden line cutting it into half, in which the left half represents the goddess triad, the Tridevis, and the right half represents their consorts, the Trimurtis. The four-handed Panchaloga idol of the goddess Mookambika is installed by Adi Shankaracharya. Mookambika is seen seated in the Padmasana position with four arms, with two arms holding a Shankha and Chakra. The other two arms hold the Abhaya Mutra and the Abhishta Mutra. There are sub-shrines for Ganapati, Lord Shiva, Vishnu, Hanuman, Subramanya, Veerabhadra and Nagadevatas. Radhotsava in the month of Palguna and Navaratri in the month of Ashwin are the main festivals in this temple. Goddess Mookambika is said to be the name given to Goddess Tridevi after she killed the demon MahaKali. According to Skanda Purana, Goddess Mookambika performed a Marana Homa here after killing MahaKali. After slaying the demon, the Divine Mother granted divinity to the demon's soul and blessed him to be known as Brahmalingeshwara. His temple is located in Marnakatte, 20 kilometers away from here. This temple is open in the morning at 5 a.m. and closes in the afternoon at 1:30 p.m. and in the evening it is open from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m.